नमस्ते बच्चों, आप कैसे हैं? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. Okay. Can you remember what we have done in our first class? I told one story, isn't it? Story is about Sunny Kumar and his family, isn't it? Okay. We will go to the lesson. Okay. पुस्तक खोलिए. Open the textbook. Take the first lesson. पाठ का नाम क्या है? What is the name of the lesson? नया मेहमान. नया मेहमान. नया माने? नया means what? Naya means what? New. Naya means new. Okay, then mehman means, what is the meaning of mehman? Guest. Guest. Mehman means guest. So, Naya mehman means new guest. Okay, all take a textbook, take one pencil and write today's date on the up of the lesson. आज का तिथि क्या है? What is the date today? 29/9/2020. 29/9/2020. कौन सा दिन? What is the day? मंगलवार. मंगलवार. Right? How I have written here? Please write like that in your textbook. Have you all written? Okay. Then we will go. First you see something is there in the first two line. नन्हे दोस्तों, नई कक्षा में आपका स्वागत है. आइए इस कक्षा का सबर एक हास्यपूर्ण मनोरंजक कहानी से शुरू करते हैं. It is written like the author is telling to you people. Okay, my dear kids, the author is telling to you people that he is welcoming you. नई कक्षा में आपका स्वागत है. नई कक्षा, welcome to new class. Now you are in the new class now. So he is telling that welcome to new class. आइए, come. इस कक्षा का सफ़र एक हास्यपूर्ण मनोरंजक कहानी से शुरू करते हैं. We will start our journey of this class by an entertainment story. He is telling that he is welcoming you by telling that welcome, my dear students. We can start our journey of this class by an entertainment story. Okay. Then here only the lesson is starting. Okay. I'm going to read. Listen carefully. Okay, my dear students. आज हमारे घर में बड़ी रौनक है. दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों का तांता लगा है. जो कोई आता छूटते ही कहता, भाई मुबारक हो, रोनी को बच्चा हुआ है. साथ ही यह वाक्य जोड़ना न भूलता. बड़ी खुशी की बात है, आप नाना नानी बन गए हैं. माँ और पिताजी हंस हंस कर ऐसे बधाई ले रहे थे मानो सचमुच ही नाना नानी बन गए हो. Once more I am reading. Listen carefully and read with me. आज हमारे घर में बड़ी रौनक है. दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों का तांता लगा है. जो कोई आता छूटते ही कहता, भाई मुबारक हो, रोनी को बच्चा हुआ है. साथ ही यह वाक्य जोड़ना न भूलता. बड़ी खुशी की बात है, आप नाना नानी बन गए हैं. माँ और पिताजी हंस हंस कर ऐसे बधाई ले रहे थे मानो सचमुच ही नाना नानी बन गए हो. Okay, this was telling by Sunny Kumar. He is also like you people only, a small boy. He is telling that आज हमारे घर में बड़ी रौनक है. रौनक means brightness. रौनक means brightness. 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 Okay. Then दोस्तों means friends. Okay. Then रिश्तेदारों, relatives. Take one pencil and write these meanings on the textbook like how I am writing. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Then tanda, line. Tanda means line. Then Mubarak, it is written congrats. Ma'am has written on the textbook like that. Okay, congrats, write that. So here it is telling that आज हमारे घर में बड़ी रौनक है. Sunny Kumar is telling that today in my house so bright is there. It is very happy. Everyone are happy. So it looks so bright in my home. Why it is so bright? Who दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों का तांता लगा है. Who and all is coming came in his home. दोस्तों, friends and relatives का line, all are coming by line by line. So his friends and relatives also came there. जो कोई आता छूटते ही कहता. While those who are coming there, they while going they are telling what they are telling. जो कोई आता, those who are coming छूटते ही कहता, छूटता while leaving. They are telling that भाई मुबारक हो, congrats, like that they are telling. रोनी को बच्चा हुआ है. रोनी को बच्चा means baby. रोनी को बच्चा हुआ है. Baby born for Roni. They are congratulating and telling that Roni for Roni, baby born for Roni. Then साथ ही, the next line, third line, you see that साथ ही यह वाक्य जोड़ना न भूलता. With that they are telling that Roni for Roni, baby born. With that they are not forgetting to add this word also. What they are adding? बड़ी खुशी की बात है. It is a very happy moment. It is a very happy moment that Roni has baby born. Then आप नाना नानी बन गए हैं. You became grandparents also. That friends and relatives telling to Sunny Kumar's family that congrats bro, your Roni has baby born, and it is a very happiest moment, and you became grandparents also. So now what we are thinking that some family member having baby, like that we are thinking. And you see, okay, माँ और पिताजी हंस कर ऐसे बधाई ले रहे थे. His father and mother, mother and पिताजी father, हंस कर smiling, laughing and ऐसे बधाई ले रहे थे. They are accepting that wishes. They are accepting बधाई wishes. Sachmuch, really. Okay, they are thinking and they are very happy and getting the wishes from the friends and relatives that मानो सचमुच ही नानी बन गए हो. Really they became the grandparents. Nana nani means grandparents. Nana nani, grandparents. So Nana Nani means grandparents. They are getting the wishes from the friends and relatives that they really became grandparents. So Sunny Kumar's house is very happy, and all the friends and relatives are coming and telling that congrats bro, your Roni has baby, your Roni has got one baby. It is a very happiest moment, and you became grandparents. And his father, Sunny Kumar's parents, also getting wishes from the relatives and friends that they really became grandparents. Okay, these 5 lines you understood now, my dear kids. Okay, next we go to the next line. अब आप पूछेंगे कि रोनी कौन है. Now you are thinking that who is that Roni, isn't it? So who you are thinking, who is that Roni? Is it any friend, or is it any auntie of Sunny Kumar or something, or mother, or like that? You are thinking, isn't it? But रोनी है हमारे घर की शान. He is telling that he is the pride of our house. He is a very good friend of our house. He is a pride of our house. प्यारी प्यारी, very lovable. प्यारी. शान means pride. Then प्यारी प्यारी, lovely. Then अच्छी नस्ल वाली, नस्ल means bride. We will see na. So many types of dogs are there, isn't it? Like Alsatian, like that. So many are there. So this Ronnie is very a good bride of a dog. It is a good bride of dog. Okay, so now we understood. Ronnie is a dog, pet dog of Sunny Kumar. Roni है हमारे घर की शान. Sunny Kumar is telling that Roni is our pride. He is very lovable and it is a very good bride. What color is that dog? You know, Fure rang ki. Fure means brown. Fure rang means brown color. Brown color. Brown color. So that dog is which color? Brown color. Okay. इस दुनिया में किसी पर मेरा हुक्म चलता है तो वह है रोनी. He is telling that इस दुनिया in this world, I am those who accepting my order, those who are doing what I am ordering is my Roni only. So Sunny Kumar's pet dog only is Roni what and all the Sunny Kumar what and all is ordering, this Roni only obeying. So he is telling that इस दुनिया में किसी पर मेरा हुक्म चलता है तो वह है रोनी. और मैं हूँ रोनी का गुरु व दोस्त. मैं हूँ रोनी का गुरु means teacher. Guru means teacher. Whatever meanings I am writing on here, please students write on the textbook, underline that word and write on the up of it. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, then dost means friend. Okay, मैं हूँ रोनी का गुरु व दोस्त means I am the Roni's friend and teacher. Friend as well as teacher. Who is that? Who is me like that? Who is telling this and that? Sunny Kumar. So now only he is telling his name. His name is Sunny Kumar. Okay. रोनी कॉफ़ी जैसे मेरे स्कूल से आने का ही इंतज़ार रखता है. What is happening? He is going to school. Before and all he was going to school and all. That time Roni was waiting for Sunny Kumar to play with him. Isn't it? रोनी कॉफ़ी जैसे मेरे स्कूल से आने का ही इंतज़ार रखता है. इंतज़ार means wait. So Roni also will used to wait when Sunny Kumar will come from the school. Like that Roni also used to wait. Okay, now you understood? Okay, my dear. Next. रोनी की तरफ उसका बच्चा भी भूरे रंग का है. So like रोनी, his baby also what color? Brown color. रोनी की तरफ उसका बच्चा भी भूरे रंग का है. रोनी like रोनी, his baby also like brown color. इसलिए मैंने उसका नाम ब्राउनी रखा है. So he kept that puppy's name as ब्राउनी. So he kept that puppy's name as ब्राउनी. एकदम रोनी की हूबहू शक्ल means that same like a Roni. That brownie also looks the same like a Roni. So he kept that baby's name as what? Brownie. Okay. He is same like a Roni. See, Hubahu Shakl means similar face. Similar face. Okay. अब स्कूल में भी मेरा मन नहीं लगता. अब स्कूल में भी मेरा मन नहीं लगता means he is telling that, Sunny Kumar is telling that in school also I don't like to be there. अब स्कूल में भी मेरा मन नहीं लगता. My mind is not allowing me to sit in the school. So if my pet dog and all is there means we will also think to go home and will play with them. Isn't it like that? Sunny Kumar also thinking that I also have no mind in sitting in school. दिल करता जल्दी से छुट्टी हो. I am thinking that my mind is telling that suddenly the school will leave and what happened then? और घर जाकर रोनी और ब्राउनी के साथ खेलूं. he is telling that dil karta, see now he is telling that dil karta jaldi se chutti ho, suddenly the school will leave and I'll go to home and I'll play with who and all, Ronnie and Brownie. Now he got two friends, isn't it? Before and all only Ronnie was there, now he got Brownie also. So two pet dogs are there and he is very happy and he is not having any mind in sitting in school and all. So suddenly when the school will leave, he will go to homes and he will play with Brownie and Ronnie. Brownie and Ronnie. Okay ma? Then next page, take next page my dear kids. Okay. खैर अगले दिन शनिवार था और मेरे स्कूल की छुट्टी. शनिवार मीन्स शनिवार, सैटरडे, शनिवार, सैटरडे, Saturday. Okay, next day was Saturday. So next day was Saturday and मेरे school की छुट्टी. On the day that day, this Sunny Kumar school was holiday. So पिताजी के बैंक में आधी छुट्टी थी. So Saturday and all, his father is working in a bank. So पिताजी के बैंक में आधी छुट्टी थी. So Saturday means the bank will be half day only. So he is telling that his father's bank also half day only. मैंने सवेरे से ही रट लगा दी. रट लगाना, ही इज रिपीटेडली टेलिंग, रट लगा दी, रट, रिपीटिंग, रिपीटिंग, repeat. Okay, rat lagadi, repeat. He was repeatedly telling to his father. What he is telling? See, on the day Saturday it was school was holiday and his father also, the bank, his father is working in a bank, that bank also was half day only. So morning itself he was repeatedly telling to his father. What he was telling? पिताजी आज मैं भी आपके साथ बैंक चलूँगा. ही इज़ टेलिंग टू हिज फादर दैट फादर टुडे आई विल ऑल्सो कम विथ यू इन द बैंक. ही इज़ टेलिंग टू हिज फादर दैट टुडे आई विल ऑल्सो कम विथ यू टू बैंक. लाइक दैट ही इज़ टेलिंग. Then his father is asking, क्यों सनी बेटे, what happened? Why are you asking like that? Why? What happened? क्यों? Why? पिताजी ने पूछा. पिताजी asked, why? What happened? बैंक में क्या करोगे? What you will do in the bank? If you are coming to bank means what you will do there? Like that father is asking. याद नहीं? आपने कहा था ब्राउनी के लिए दूध की बॉटल लानी है. He is telling he is asking, that father is asking, why Sunny, what happened, why you are coming to bank, what you will do in the bank, like that father is asking. Then suddenly he is telling, याद नहीं, can't you remember, you told ना, आपने कहा था, you told ना on the day, ब्राउनी के लिए दूध की बोतल लानी है. दूध, दूध means milk, दूध means milk, bottle means bottle means bottle, bottle. So याद नहीं, आपने कहा था ब्राउनी के लिए दूध की बोतल लानी है. You told ना on that day that you have to buy, we have to buy bottle for whom? For brownie. We have to buy feeding bottle, we have to buy milk for drinking milk, we want to buy bottle ना. So that बैंक से आते वक्त बोतल फी ले लेंगे और मैं थोड़ा घूम फी लूँगा. While coming from bank we will buy bottle, we will buy bottle and we will roam for sometimes also. Like that he is telling. बैंक से आते वक्त बोतल फी ले लेंगे और मैं थोड़ा घूम फी लूँगा. While coming from bank we will buy bottle and also we will roam for some time. Like that he is telling. Okay, then next. भाई बोतल तो मैं किसी को भी भेज कर मंगवा लूँगा, पिताजी ने हंसते हुए कहा. देन हिज फादर इज टेलिंग दैट बॉटल ओनली ना, आई विल नॉट टेल समबडी एल्स टू बाई एंड गिव. लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग, आई विल टेल समबडी एल्स टू बाई एंड गिव. भाई बोतल तो मैं किसी को भी भेज कर मंगवा लूँगा. आई विल मेक अदर्स एनी अदर स्टाफ और समबडी, आई विल टेल देम टू बाई एंड गिव. लाइक दैट ही इज टेलिंग. नहीं मैं भी जाऊँगा, मैं ज़िद्द कर बैठा. ही इज़ टेलिंग, ही वॉज अनोइंग टू हिज फादर दैट आई विल ऑल्सो कम. लाइक दैट ही इज़ टेलिंग. अच्छा बाबा जाओ, तैयार हो जाओ, पिताजी ने कहा. ओके डियर, देन यू विल गो एंड यू गेट रेडी. तैयार हो जाओ, गेट रेडी, पिताजी ने कहा. पिताजी फादर टोल्ड. अच्छा बाबा, ओके राइट डियर, जाओ तैयार हो जाओ, यू गो एंड गेट रेडी.
मैं झट से तैयार होने के लिए भागा. Then suddenly he went inside to get ready. He felt so happy and he ran to get ready. तैयार होकर पिताजी के साथ मोटरसाइकिल पर बैठकर बैंक पहुंच गया. After getting ready, he went with his father by motorcycle. He went with his father's motorcycle and he reached where he reached bank. He reached bank. Okay, now you understood, my dear kids. This much is enough for today. Okay, Sunny Kumar, he is very happy by seeing his brownie and his father. He is annoying his father to go to bank and to buy milk bottle and then he is going with his father to bank. This much only is enough. Okay, my dear. Next day we will learn. We'll continue the lesson. Okay, if you have any doubt or anything in any word or something, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, धन्यवाद.